Whoa, didn't you there? Hope you're ready to learn some math. Okay, that was me being silly. So today we're going to talk about simplifying algebraic expressions. And also, if you look at this first problem, you can tell we also have some distributive property in here. So we're going to have 3 steps. Keep, change, which we always have done. Then we're going to distribute, and then we're going to simplify. So if I'm looking at the first problem, I have -3 minus 2 times the quantity 4 plus 6x. So first I keep, change. So I'm going to have -3 plus a -2 times 4 plus 6x. Okay. So step 1, check. Step 2, now I need to distribute. So the -3 is just going to stay the same, plus negative, oh, well, actually I don't even know if it's negative yet, so I don't know why I wrote that. All right, -2 times 4 is going to give me a -8, plus -2 times 6x is going to give me a -12x. So now, check on that, I'm going to simplify. So are there any of these that I could add together? Well, look at that, I don't even have to rewrite it because the 2 that I can add together are right next to each other, they're right here. So -3 and -8, that's going to give me a -11 plus a -12x. Or you might see it as -11 minus 12x. Or maybe you might see it as -12x minus 11. They're all correct answers. Every single one of them. Isn't that crazy? All right, so keep, change, distribute, and then simplify. Check, check, check. All right, let's try another one. So I'm looking down here. Keep, change. I only do that when I see subtraction, remember. So keep, change. So the 3 is going to stay the same. Times 2x. Oh, I see subtraction. So I'm going to have plus a -4 plus, that's addition, don't need to keep, change, 6x plus a -2y. So keep, change, check. All right, the next one next step is going to be distributive property. If you don't forget, if you don't remember, look back up here. Distributive property, step 2. So I'm going to come back down here. Okay, distributive property, I see it. Let me highlight it even for you if you can't see it. The distributive property is right here. Okay, so I'm going to do that next. So if I do distributive property, I'm going to have 3 times 2x, so I'm going to get 6x plus 3 times -4 is going to give me a -12 plus 6x plus -2y. Fancy. All right, so now I'm going to rearrange so all my like terms are by each other. Let me scroll down a little bit. I need a little bit more room to work. So I'm going to have 6x plus 6x. If that gets rid of those, then I have plus -12 plus -2y. Okay, so it looks like the only 2 that I can combine are going to be these 2 right here. So 6x plus 6x, they're the same sign, so I'm going to add. So it's going to give me 12x plus -12 plus -2y. I cannot combine anymore, so that might be my answer. So this could be an answer. It could say 12x minus 12 minus 2y. That could be an answer. It could say -12 plus 12x minus 2y. Could say -2y minus 12 plus 12x. That could be an answer. They're all mean the same thing. They're just in different orders. All right. One last problem. Oh, man. Oh, there it is. Okay. So first thing I do not distribute. First thing I do is keep, change. So I'm going to have 4 times 3x plus 2. Ooh, I see some subtraction. Plus a -6 times 6y. Another one, keep, change, plus a -7. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is 4 times 3. Oh, sorry. So I keep, change. Now I'm going to distribute. So 4 times 3, x is going to give me 12x plus 4 times 2 is going to give me 8, plus negative 6 times 6y is going to give me negative 36y, plus negative 6 times negative 7 is going to give me a positive 42. Check. Now I need to simplify. So I need to see if I need to rearrange, which looks like I do. So I'm going to start with the first one. Why didn't this go down? All right. So I'm going to have 12x plus 8. All right. Plus 42 plus negative 36y. Okay. So the 12x, I can't do anything with that, so that's just going to stay the same. So I'm going to have 12x plus 42 plus 8, they're the same sign, so I'm going to add. So it's going to give me 50 plus negative 36y is by itself, so that's just going to stay negative 36y. Here's an answer. My answer could also be 12x plus 50 minus 36y. Answer could also be negative 36y plus 12x plus 50. My answer could also be, oh, I forgot an x here. My answer could also be, which one haven't I done? Oh, I haven't done 12x minus 36y plus 50. All sorts of fun possibilities here. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and guess who else wants to say hi? Say hi, Tiny. Oh, say hello. Hope you learned something.